Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In my last video, I created an animation of a module docking to the space station. If you have not seen that video, please click the link in the description box. Today, I'll be making a dais. So let's begin. To begin, we'll take a create new object block and rename the variable to dice body like this. Then we'll take a box we'll take a box and a move block like this. Then we'll click on this arrow over here on this add box block, and over here there are some advanced settings by which you can change the height, width and length by your by your own choice by entering the unit. I won't be interfering with that, but I'll change the edge to 1. The edge means the corner of the box, which I'll be changing to 1, by which the corner will round a little to add to the effect of the dice. Then I'll change the unit of movement on the z-axis to 10 and change the color to gray like this, and we'll see the animation. So you can see the corner has been rotated, the corner has been rounded a little like this. Now what we'll do is we'll start adding the numbers. So on a dais, the opposite numbers add up to 7, so we'll use the same rule over here. So first we'll take a create new object block and rename the variable to dice number 1 like this, and we'll take a text block like this, and we'll click on this arrow and we'll change the height to 1. Then we'll take a scale block, a move block and a rotate block. Then we'll scale it as 0.75, 0.75 and 0.75, and we'll move it 10 units on the z-axis and minus 10 units on the y-axis. Then we'll rotate around axis x by 90 degrees and we'll see the animation like this. So I'll change the color to black right now. So now we'll take another create new object block and rename the variable to dice number 6 like this. Then I'll just duplicate this uh, code on the dice number 1 and put it over here. Then I'll change the text to 6 like this. The scaling must remain same, but movement on the y-axis must be 10 units like this. And I'll just duplicate this rotate block and rotate around axis x by 90 degrees and rotate around axis z by 180 degrees like this, and we'll see the animation. So 1 is over here and 6 is over here like this. Now I'll take a create new object block and rename the variable to dice number 2 like this. Then I'll just copy this code on dice number 1 and just delete this rotate block. So the scaling must remain same for all of them, and the movement on y-axis must be 0 and on z-axis must be 20, and we'll see the animation. We'll change this to 2 and then we'll see the animation. So 2 is over here, 6 is over here and 1 is over here. So below over here we'll add 5. So for that we'll take a create new object block and rename the variable to dice number 5 like this, and we'll copy this code and place it over here. We'll change the text to 5. The scaling must remain same, and we'll delete the move block like this, and we'll rotate around axis X by 180 degrees like this, and we'll see the animation. If this animation is slow for you, you can change the speed by clicking over here. So 2 is over here and 5 is over here, 1 is over here and 6 is over here. So now we just have to add number 3 and 4. So for that we'll take a create new object block, rename the variable to dice number 3 like this, and we'll take a text block like this. Instead we'll just copy the code from here and put it over here. Then we'll change the text to 3. Scaling must remain same. The movement must be minus 10 units on the x-axis and 10 units on the z-axis. Then I'll just duplicate this rotate block and rotate around axis x by 90 degrees and axis z by minus 90 degrees like this. And I'll just duplicate this whole code, delete the create new object block, take a new create new object block like this and pull it up here. Then I'll rename the variable to dice number 4 like this. The text must be 4, scaling must remain same, the movement on the x-axis must be same, z-axis must be on the x-axis must be 10 and z-axis must remain same. Rotation around axis x must be 90 degrees and around axis z must be 90 degrees as well. So we'll see the whole animation now. So 1 is over here, 6 is over here, 2 is over here, 5 is over here, 3 is over here and 4 is over here. So our dice is complete. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Stay tuned for new videos. Bye.